Experience a stylish cleaning with Dreamy P10 Pro. It's built with lightweight to keep you stylish in the cleanup. Yet the suction is strong enough for daily use. With LED screen, you get to see the suction mode and battery life. All the features come together to help you clean for up to 60 minutes without breaking a sweat. To meet regional cleaning needs, we've designed specific brush heads based on countries, and it works well. Dreamy P10 Pro. Vacuums with style.
Short on time? You got this. The cordless BLACK+DECKER Power Series Extreme holds up to its name. Its triple cleaning system tackles dirt, dust, and debris across tile, hardwood, and carpet. With extreme hair pickup from an anti-tangle brush bar. 3 cleaning features, 1 extreme performance. The BLACK+DECKER Power Series Extreme with triple cleaning system.
Shark's next-generation Navigator vacuum includes the 0M cleaner head, which actively removes hair wrap from the brush roll. Its lightweight design and above-floor lift-away technology makes it easy to clean stairs, furniture, and other above-floor areas. Anti-allergen complete seal technology ensures dust and allergens do not escape from the vacuum back into the air you breathe. Swivel steering provides effortless maneuverability on both floors and carpets, allowing for seamless debris pickup in hard-to-reach areas.